Hi guys, it's time to design another birthday flyer, and we are going to be designing this. That's what we are going to design now. Alright, let's get to file and we click on new. That's the dimension in pixels, and we say OK. Alright, we get to file again and we choose import. We are going to import. You go to desktop and get to the folder containing the resources. All right. Okay, let's get to work. We add outline to our design space by double clicking rectangle tool. And we get to this place to remove the outline by clicking your right mouse. All right. That's our background. We crop, click shape tool, and we crop. Okay. Then we go to transparency tool and we add transparency here. Okay, we go to bitmaps and we convert it to bitmap. And we power creep inside. We go to effect, go to adjust, go to brightness, contrast and intensity, and darken the background a little. Okay. So next we are going to we go to color picker. Okay. We crop our image. Okay, we are going to add transparency to it. convert to bitmap first and add transparency. Okay. Next, we are going to add this. Okay. All right. So the next we are going to do is to add a rectangle here. We close the rectangle up and we remove the outline. We copy the rectangle and we place it here. We copy again and we place it here. So we go to text tool and we type Williams. We go to fonts and we add Futura MD BT. Then we copy William, copy it here, and we go to text editor and we type click. Okay. Then we type birthday. We go to fonts and type Madrigalle. Okay. We add color to it. And we type happy. And we type angel. Angela. That's the font name. AI Glory. We add color to it. Place it here. Okay, we are going to add um a black cover. Okay, that's it. Okay, and we add transparency to it. Or we leave it. Okay, all right, let's leave it. Then we put Williams here. We go to shape tool and we stretch it. Okay, we group them and we power creep it inside. We power creep this inside and we power creep everything here inside. Okay, we are going to put the date now. Twenty-ninth September. We add color to it. We go to alignment and we center it. We go to font and we add font to it. Then we, from the shape tool, we take it up a little. Okay, and we place it here. Then we go to pen tool and add a line. We add a line. We place it here. And we bring it down. We take it up a little. Okay. we group them together. Then we power creep. Finally, we are going to add design by tahilahchinedump. Okay, we go to font, add Futura MD, and we add italics to this. Okay, and we add color to it, then bring it up a little and reduce it and bring it down here. So our second birthday flyer is ready. Thank you for watching.